Cover letters are important in the job application process, and making any errors could cost you the job. So, pay close attention and avoid these 7 common mistakes when writing your cover letter.
Mistake number 1, sounding desperate.
Your cover letter should exude confidence, not desperation. Avoid sounding like you're begging for the job or that you'll take any position that's offered to you. Come across as professional and enthusiastic in emphasizing your skills and qualifications.
Mistake number 2, focusing on what you want.
Your cover letter should be all about the employer and what you can do for them, not about what you want from them. Don't make the mistake of talking only about yourself and what you're looking for in a job. Instead, focus on how you can add to the company.
Mistake number 3, failing to modify your cover letter for the job.
When you're applying for a job, it's important to tailor your cover letter to that specific position. To make sure your letter is tailored for the job, research the company and position beforehand and mention specific qualifications that make you a great candidate.
Mistake number 4, using cliché phrases.
To make a good impression, avoid using cliched phrases such as "I'm a self-starter" or "I'm a team player." These phrases are overused and can make you sound like everyone else. Instead, use specific examples from your experience to demonstrate your qualities.
Mistake number 5, addressing the wrong company or contact person.
With so many job postings, it's easy to mix up one company with another. But if you want your application to stand out, take the time to research the company and make sure you're addressing your cover letter to the correct person.
Mistake number 6, making it too long.
Keep your cover letter concise and to the point. Employers are busy people and they don't have the time to read a novel. Get to the point quickly and make sure your letter is no more than 1 page in length.
And lastly, mistake number 7, not proofreading your cover letter.
A typo or grammatical error can make you look unprofessional and could cost you the job. Always take the time to read over your cover letter several times before sending it, or better yet, have someone else read it over as well. Now that you know what you should not do in your cover letter, the next thing that you also need to polish is your resume. This video will show you resume writing mistakes that will keep you unemployed.